Stick around and we'll get right to it.
All right, so I got a quick one for you guys. I am traveling. I just stopped at the top of Mount Eagle. I'm just off of Interstate 24. And what I want to do is I want to see if there's any Winlink gateways nearby to me. So sending a message to WLNK-1 once you get logged in, and guys, if you don't know how to log into that service, I'll leave a link to another video I've done on how to log in to the Winlink service over APRS. But if you notice on the screen right here, I have sent the command G, which tells the system that I want to know the closest gateway to me. Now, another little trick we can do is this time I'm going to send it G and 2, and that should return the 2 closest gateways to me, not just the closest one to me. But you can see that it looks like I've got one 0 miles away. So there's that one, and it should return one more to me here in just a second. That camera looks like it's dimming down a little bit. Let's see if we can get that to go a little brighter. So it sent me the first one. Let's see if it'll go ahead and send me another one. And it might be that the second one is not close enough to me to return a result. So not seeing it come through, but if you had more than one in the area, it would go ahead and send you both of those. Now, let's see if we can use this information to make a Winlink connection right here from the parking lot. Oh, I was mistaken. It did. It just took it a second, but there's the second gateway that come in. It looks like that one is 29 miles away. Well, obviously, I'm going to use the one that's 0 miles away, that WS5H-15. So let's shut down this connection, the APRS droid. I'm going to stop tracking there, and let's go ahead and pull up WoAD and plug in that data that we just got from APRS. All right, so you guys should be able to see right there that we're dialed into 145.550. Let's go ahead and start that connection. And I missed one of my settings in there. Didn't get my SSID typed in correctly. Let's try that again. Let's go ahead and hit that start, and let's see what happens. Oop. Sounds like we got a connection happening. And there you have it, just running WoAD in the truck. I was able to use APRS to find the closest gateway and then use WoAD to check if I had any Winlink messages. Now you know how it's done. If you found today's information helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up before you head off. We will see you guys on the next one. Until then, 7-3.